Hi, third grade. Today we're going to look at Unit 11, Week 2, Day 2. Repeat after me. A-R, car, R. O-R, horn, or. E-R, her, I-R, bird, U-R, burn, A-R, beggar, O-R, doctor, A-R, warm, or. O-R, worm, Nice job. Now let's hear what our new concept is for today.
Hi friends, I'm Mrs. Keo and I'm a literacy specialist with Wilson Language Training. Today we're going to be working on Unit 11, Week 2, Day 2 of Introduce New Concepts. We are going to be looking at contractions again today. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have some up here, but let's go one at a time. All right, so let's read this first one. He will. He will. How can I say that with a contraction? Heal. What letters do I need to replace with the apostrophe? The W and the I, and I replace it with my apostrophe, and I bring over my two L's. Now read it. Heal. Good work. Let's read the next one. We are. How do I say that with a contraction? We're. What do I need to replace with the apostrophe? The A, and I bring down my apostrophe, bring over my R and my E, and now what do I have? We're. Very good. Let's go to the next step. She would. How can I say that with a contraction? She'd. What letters do I need to replace with the apostrophe? W, O, U, and L. All get replaced with that apostrophe. And I bring this over. And now what do I have? She'd, just like you said. Look at this one. He has. How can I say that with a contraction? He's. What letters do I need to replace with the apostrophe? H and the A. Bring down my apostrophe and bring over that S. Now what does it say? He's. Good work. Let's read these two. I had. How can I say that word with a contraction? I'd. So what letters do I need to replace with the apostrophe? H and A. And bring down my apostrophe. Bring over that D. And now what do I have? I'd. Last one. You have. How can I say that word with a contraction? You've. What letters do I need to replace with the apostrophe? H, A, and bring down the apostrophe, bring over the V and the E, and now I have you've. There you go. Nicely done, my friends. Now, if you would like to get your dry erase board and a dry erase marker handy, let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to write these words together. Okay, go ahead and get your board. I'll start sharing mine with you while you're getting yourself set. Pause the video if you need to. All right, are you ready? Okay, good work. Let's go ahead and get going. So here's my board. So here's what I want you to do. What we are going to do, let's write the words we have on our dry erase board. So let's go ahead and do that. We have. You go ahead and write that as well. Okay. So now, how can I say these two words another way as a contraction? That's right. I can say we've. We have been here. We've been here. So what letters are going to be removed or get taken away so that I can do that? Yeah, I'm going to take away the H and the A. So let me bring it down here. And do I do anything with the we? No, that stays the same. Those two letters we're not going to use, but we're going to use our V and our E. But we have replaced the H and the A with our apostrophe. And then we add our V and our E. So now we have weave. Remember, your apostrophe is going to be in between the skyline and the plane line. It's about where it goes. It's a nice little curve there, so be super careful with that. All right, so let's try another one. Go ahead and erase these words. Let's go on and write could have, could have. Let's see if you can write could. Here we go. Then have. So now let's think about this. How can we say could have as a contraction? Could have. That's right. We can say could have. So what letters will I need to replace with my apostrophe? Okay, well, let's bring this down because I know I'm not going to do anything with that word. It's going to stay could. Over here's where the action happens. What's going to get taken away? The H and the A. I'm going to replace those with my apostrophe. Whoops. Follow my own advice in between that skyline and plane line. And then I bring it over and down my V, E. So now what do I have? Could have. We could have done that. All right, go ahead and erase could and have. All right, so now I want you to listen because now we're going to start listening to, I'm going to be giving you contractions, or I'll dictate the contraction instead of the word set. So previously we've been going from we have to weave. Now we're going to start thinking about it in the other way. We're going to keep our brains nice and flexible with our thinking. So listen to how I'm going to do this now with you. He'll go to the playground. So repeat that. Just say he'll. What are the two words that are used in heal? Very good. So we've got heal, he will, heal. Okay, so I think you know how to do that. So now here's what we're going to do. Let's go ahead and write that. So let's write heal. What are the two words that we used here? He will. And then what was that contraction? Heal. So you can see that. All right, so now let's get our finger and let's trace this. Let's trace heal away, spelling it as we erase it. H, E, apostrophe, L, L. Let's erase this one up here. H, E, apostrophe, L, L. That was the word heal. Came from he will. All right, let's try another one. He's at the store. So if I'm thinking of he's at the store, what two possibilities do I have for he's though? If we were to look in our notebook, this is where you're going to have to think about it. So let's take a look at our notebook. Here's he. Make that a little bit higher. So he is, he's. That could be a possibility. Or over here, he has, he's. So listen to my sentence again. He's at the store. So what two words did we use? He is. So really, when we say the sentence, you'll be able to tell whether it's he has or he is. So you're going to need to be able to ask that question about what it is. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and write he's. What do I do here? apostrophe S. He's. He's at the store. All right. What 2 words did we use here? If I'm saying he's at the store, he is. So it's going to be really important to listen for that. Okay, let's erase this with our finger. H, E, apostrophe S. He's. All right, let's do one more. Oh, it's. Now listen to the sentence. It's stopped raining. So is this a contraction that is replacing it has or it is? You can think about it. It's stopped raining. It has stopped raining. It is stopped raining. It has. Okay, so let's go ahead and write the word it's. I-T apostrophe S. And write down here what it came from. It's stopped raining. It has stopped raining. There you go. Let's go ahead and trace it's away with our finger. I-T apostrophe S. It's stopped raining. It has stopped raining. There you go. All right, let's do one more set. You've got it right. Let's write you've. Where can I look if I'm not sure? Let's write my notebook. You've. So what 2 words did I have to make into a contraction? You have became you've. You see what got taken away? Yeah, so we want you to start being flexible with your thinking and be able to go from the 2 words to the contraction, and then from the contraction to the 2 words. All right, let's go ahead and erase you with our fingers. Spell it away. Y-O-U apostrophe V-E. Came from you have. Wow, good work today. That can be very tricky, but not for us because we know that we can go one step at a time to make our 2 words into contractions. We'll go from contractions to the 2 words. If we ever have any questions, we look in our notebook. All right, I will see you soon. Good work today.
Okay, we have 3 new sound-alike words that we're going to be learning today. But before we do, let's review the other sound-alike words that we've learned already in Unit 11. The first one is it's. Say it. It's. Spell it with me. Go. I-T apostrophe S. And do you remember what the signal is? It is. It's. Remember, that's the contraction for it is. Try this one. It's. Say it. It's. Spell it with me. I-T-S. And do you remember this signal? It was so hard for me to come up with one. Here's my clue. Yeah. This is the pen. This is its cap. It belongs to the pen. So remember our signal was put the pen on, put the cap on its pen, take the cap off. Okay. Very good. And here is our new one. There. Say it. There. Spell this one with me. T-H-E-R-E. There. And this definition of there, do you know? To refer to a certain location. All right, so go ahead in your sound-alike section, page 107. What page? 107. This one's kind of the one in the middle, remember, T-H-E-R-E, there. And go ahead and pause the video and copy down this definition. To refer to a certain location. All right, I think it makes sense for the signal to say there. Put it there. You're pointing, okay, to a certain location. Put it there. Very good. All right, our second word is there. Spell it with me. Go. Their. And this one is at the top of page 107. Look at this definition: something belonging to a group of people. So their books, their backpacks, their pencils, something belonging to a group of people. Okay, copy this down on the top of page 107. This one's another tricky one for me to come up with a signal, but I think I have one. Okay, so this is talking about belonging. When I'm in the classroom and I'm talking about the students' desks, I'm saying their desks. I would kind of go like this and say their desks, their backpacks, their house. Okay, it belongs to them. So I'm going to go like this: it belongs to them. Okay. All right. The last one is, a contraction. There. Say it. There. Spell it with me. THEY apostrophe RE. Do you know? This is at the bottom of page 107. Do you know what this contraction, what the two words are in the original set? They are. Right. So go ahead and write the definition: a contraction of they are. Pause the video. All right. And I think the signal for this one, we're going to keep it like this: they are there. When we have contractions, we're just going to do the original words and put them together. Okay. So let's review those signals one more time. THERE. The way I remembered this, I think my third or fourth grade teacher taught me this trick. Do you see how the word here is in there? HERE, like right here. We had that sound alike word. Well, now it's becoming there, over there. Okay, so it's the place. It's either here or there. That's kind of how I remembered that one. This one, THEIR, belongs, right? It belongs to them. It's their turn. It's their classroom. It's their teacher. Okay, and the last one is they are there, the contraction. All right, on the bottom of page 107, we're going to play a game of guess which one. And I want you to number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, please. Go ahead and do that, and we'll get ready. Okay, the first sentence, number 1, meet me there at noon. Now, does it make sense to say meet me they are at noon? Okay, so your brain automatically knows, don't pick the contraction. Meet me there. Is this the location or is this the location? Remember, here or there. Okay, so what is it, everybody? Spell it. THERE. There. Good. Number 2. They're winning the game right now. I always ask myself this question first. Does it make sense to say they are winning the game right now? Yes. So ding, 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 ding. They're winning the game right now. It's the first word in the sentence, though, so start it with a capital letter. And let's spell it. Ready? THEY apostrophe RE. Very good. Let's move on to number 3. The amusement park is over there. The amusement park is over they are? No. So now your two choices. There or there, over there. Which ones do we point, the location? Here or there, right? Go ahead, spell it. THERE. There. Over there. Good. Number 4. Their fishing gear is packed away. Let's do my test. Number 1. They are fishing gear is packed away. So their fishing gear or this one? I think the fishing gear belongs to them. Okay, spell it. THEIR. There. Good. And it was the first word in the sentence again. Okay. Last one. They're looking for their. Oh no. They're looking for their sweaters. I trick you on this one, the big finale. Which one's first? Does it make sense to say they are looking for? Okay, then this one's the first one. Spell it They apostrophe RE. Now, that's one. You better put a comma next to number 5 because there are 2 theirs in that sentence. They're looking for their sweaters. I think the sweaters belong to them. Go ahead. Their. Wow, 2 in one sentence. Great work. All right, they're great. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.